Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In the previous session, we have learned the cart page and the buy now. So on clicking buy now, so where it is navigating to the booking page. So in today's session, we will learn so how this booking form has been designed and fetched. So how the records are being fetched. So for that, I have created a booking.jsp and I have added Bootstrap and font awesome CSS. This is the first main step you have to do. Then inside the body, add the header and footer JSPs. See for this page, header and footer.jsp is being added. Next, so design, this design is same as a cart page. So see this half of the design I've taken from the cart page itself. See both the design are same. So you can copy paste the same thing, or if you want, you can change the design also later. First inside the container, okay. I have added the condition session.get attribute of uname not equal to null because for the booking page, only when the user has logged in, then only this booking page should be visible. So that's why I have added the session condition. So user must be logged in. So uname must not be null. So inside that session condition, I'm writing the code. Okay, fine. So first I've created a container class and one div I've taken for the booking form. See, this is the booking form div and design I've copied from this cart page itself. Next, inside after that, one more div I've created and table I've taken. See, this is the table. So for that table, sorry, this is the table. And inside that table, table headings I've taken. What are the headings I need? Like I need the image, product name, product cost, and quantity. Okay, so quantity also like we have learned in the previous session. After the cart page, we have learned the quantity also, like how it is being fetched and added. So I'm just fetching this quantity of the product. So all this is whatever is required. I'm just fetching. So in the T head, I have taken whatever is necessary. So inside the T body, like we have to fetch the data. So for that, this Java code has been written. So the same logic I have taken. So whatever is there in the cart page logic is there. So the same logic is I have copy pasted. Okay, and I'm using the same method also. What is the method? Fetch cart info means whatever the data or the records are there in the cart table for that user ID and the status is equal to pending. I'm fetching all the records. Okay, because in the cart page also whatever the data is there in the pending status that is being fetched, right? So similarly, even in the checkout page, like in the booking page also, the same product should come. That's why the same method is being used. I'm using the same method. So no need to create any other method or no need to alter any query. Just call the same method. That's it. Because the query is same. We are fetching from the cart table itself for the user ID, session ID, and the status is equal to pending. Okay. Call the same method. Everything is same here. I've not changed anything. And see, first in the first TD, I have printed the image, name, cost, and quantity. See, image, name, cost, and quantity is being printed here. And this will be loop. See, inside the while loop, I have written all these TDs. So how many records are there? That many times the while loop will execute. And even the cost also, like it will add on. First time it will be 0. Then whenever it comes to the first time it will be 0, and whenever it comes inside the while loop, so it will add. So how much the quantity is there, that much quantity into cost it will be added to a t cost variable. For example, first time 500 into 2 is 1000 rupees will be there in the t cost variable. In the second loop, 1000 into 3 is 3000 rupees plus 1000 rupees will be there in the t cost variable. So at last, at final, in the t cost variable, the value will be 4000 rupees. So this will be inside the while loop. Now the table and t body, I'm closing it. Next, we have to print a total amount, right? So total amount will be stored in a t cost variable as I've told. So this is Java variable. I'm just printing total rupees t cost. The total rupees T cost is 4,000 rupees. And for this, I have designed a little bit. So the design is there in a cost class. See, same thing, same whatever is done in the cart page. So I have just taken the design from there itself. Next. After that, so payment method for now, we will keep only the cash on delivery. So I've just mentioned it in a static. So inside one div, inside a bold tag, I have written a cash on delivery. Okay, fine. Next is a delivery address. So we need to ask a delivery address, right? So for that, I've taken one more div. Form I have taken because this button is also there. Confirm order button is also there in a inside a form. So first I have created a form. Method is equal to post, and action is already I have created a cart order.java servlet I have created. So inside this servlet only, I'm going to write a logic in the further sessions. Okay, so I'm using the same servlet cart order. Next, inside that form, so I've created a div, one whole div. Inside that, in the H2 tag, I've taken the delivery address. See, this is the H2 tag and underline tag I have used. Then after that, I've created each divs for each input field. Total, there are 3 input fields for address, for city, and for state. Okay, 3 input fields of the type text I have taken, and for each input field I have taken a different ID and a name. Okay, so for the address, see, name I have taken and ID. So city, ID and name I have taken. State, ID and name I have taken. Placeholder also I have given. Okay, so this will be in under one div. So all these 3 will be under one div. Next is a confirm order button I need, right? So I've created the input of the type submit because I have to submit it. So type is a submit, and name, I need name parameter, that is submit, because I have to take this to a servlet. So value is confirm order. See, the button name is confirm order. And for designing, I've taken a class book and I've designed it little bit here. Fine. And in the header, I'm taking a T cost also, because this T cost I have to store it in a this one, like a table, right? So for that, I have taken a input hidden field. So value, T cost value, I'm storing it in a this parameter called T cost. T cost name parameter is direct. So here I'm storing the T cost data or value. So this data, it will go to a servlet cart order. Okay, this is about a booking page. So what we have done, like on clicking this buy now, so it will navigate to a booking.jsp, and whatever the items were there in a pending status or in the cart table, whatever was there in the pending status, I'm fetching it, and amount also I'm calculating dynamically, and delivery address I'm taking, and one button I have kept confirm order. So this is about a booking page. So in the next session, we will see how the booking has been done, like confirm order. So this thing we will see in the next session. Okay. And one more thing, like if you want more interview related questions or e-notes or MCQ, so you can follow Karthik sir on Sukshmas. So it will be helpful for you. So regarding any other technical stuffs or interview questions. So one more thing is like beyond knowing mentorship. So if you want to become a beyond knowing mentor, so please click on the beyond knowing menu at the header, go to the details section. See here, you can see BK mentors option menu. So inside that, we have some factors we are having to shortlist a student as a new mentor. If you satisfy all these factors, so you will be appointed as a BK beyond knowing mentor. So you will get a scholarship opportunity also, like up to rupees 5K, 5,000. So you will get it monthly. Okay. And some policies are also there for mentor. So you can read it out here. Okay, guys. Thank you. So we will see in the next session.